If your Audacity recordings sound noisy, muffled, uneven, or even distorted, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix audio quality in Audacity step by step, so you can clean up your voice recordings and make them sound much more professional. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's remove background hiss. This is one of the most common problems in audio, especially if you record it in a room with a fan, computer noise, or electrical hum in the background. To do this properly, find a short section of your audio where only the noise is audible and no speaking is happening. This quiet section is important because Audacity uses it as a sample to learn what the unwanted noise sounds like. Once you've highlighted that silent or very quiet part, go to the Effect menu at the top. From there, click Noise Removal and Repair, then choose Noise Reduction. In the Noise Reduction window, click the button labeled Get Noise Profile. This tells Audacity to analyze the background noise from that section. After that, press Ctrl-A on your keyboard to select the entire track. Now go back to the Effect menu, click Noise Reduction again, and then click OK to apply it across the whole recording. At this point, your audio should already sound cleaner with less hiss in the background. But if the recording still sounds muffled or thin, the next step is to improve the tone of the voice. To fix muffled or thin sound in Audacity, press Ctrl-A again to select all of the audio. Then open the Effect menu, click EQ and Filters, and choose Graphic EQ. In this section, click Presets and Settings, then open Factory Presets. You'll usually want to test either Treble Boost if you want more clarity and brightness, or Bass Boost if your voice sounds too weak and needs a little more depth. After selecting the preset that fits your audio best, click Apply. This step can make a huge difference because it helps bring out the natural voice frequencies and makes your recording sound clearer and more balanced. If your audio was dull or too flat before, this is the part that can really help it come alive. Next, let's balance the volume levels. Sometimes one part of a recording is too quiet, another part is too loud, and the whole track feels inconsistent. To smooth that out, press Ctrl-A once more to select the full track. Then go to the Effect menu, click Volume and Compression, and choose Compressor. Use the default settings and click Apply. Compression helps reduce the gap between loud and quiet sections so everything sounds more even and easier to listen to. After that, go back to the Effect menu again, click Volume and Compression, and choose Normalize. In the Normalize window, set the peak amplitude to -1.0. This helps bring the overall loudness to a more usable level without pushing the audio too hard. Then click Apply. Once this is done, your recording should sound more consistent and much better for listeners. Now let's fix distortion, also known as clipping. If your audio was recorded too loudly, you may notice sharp or crackly sound on certain words or peaks in the waveform. Audacity has a tool that can help reduce that problem. Go to the Effect menu, click Noise Removal and Repair, and then choose Clip Fix. Once the Clip Fix window opens, click Apply. This won't always perfectly restore heavily clipped audio, but it can often improve slightly distorted recordings and make them much more listenable. It's a useful final cleanup step, especially if the audio was recorded too hot in the first place. So to quickly recap, first remove background hiss with noise reduction, then improve the tone with graphic EQ. After that, balance the volume with compressor and normalize. And finally, if needed, reduce distortion with clip fix. When you combine these steps, you can dramatically improve the sound of your voice recordings in Audacity without needing expensive plugins or advanced editing skills. If this video helped you fix your audio quality in Audacity, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.